Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling precise evidence so your DMCA challenge stands. Gather episode ID, timestamps, and original release dates. Once done, export platform logs and screenshots that show upload times and file hashes, and make a concise list of hosting URLs and account names. You should also confirm who owns the copyright versus who uploaded. This matters because the law hinges on ownership and authorization. Finally, save everything in one folder to streamline notices and counter notices. You now draft the DMCA takedown and counter notice correctly. Follow statutory language for identification, a good faith belief statement, and a physical or electronic signature. Once drafted, attach your gathered evidence and state the remedy you want, such as removal or attribution. Be specific. If you plan a counter notice, include proof of authorization or fair use rationale, a statement under penalty of perjury, and contact details. Make sure to keep copies and date-stamped records for future disputes. You submit the takedown or counter notice through the platform portal, and when possible, follow up with registered mail, record all timestamps and confirmation numbers. Once submitted, monitor the platform response window and be ready to file a counter notice or request reinstatement within 14 days if the uploader does not respond. If the platform stalls, escalate to their legal team or retain counsel. Make sure to document every exchange. Troubleshooting tip: if your evidence is disputed, prioritize clear metadata and third-party time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.